guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or enable Ask Where to save each file before downloading on your Brave browser, and I'm gonna show you what that means. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So once you're inside Brave, what happens is that if this is not enabled, once you download the file, it's going to automatically download. So take for example, I'm on the Brave website here and you see Get Brave and you see the download icon. If I click on that, it's going to automatically download the Brave for me. And as you can see, it automatically download Brave right here. However, let's say I don't want it like that and I want to have full control over whenever files being downloaded or saved on my computer, because what happened just now is that this file was automatically downloaded to my downloads folder on my computer, right? So how do I go ahead and ensure that whenever I select or click download, it will ask me first? So click the three dots or the three lines on the upper right hand side, then go to your settings, right? And from here, click on downloads on the left hand side. Then here you'll see this option that says Ask Where to save each file before downloading. So if you toggle it on, guys, now when you go back to whichever website, I'm using the Brave one as an example, and I click Get, you're going to see what happens. It's going to give me this pop-up window and ask me where I want to save the file, which is great because not just I have full control over where files are being stored, but also it really gives me control over if I really want to save that file to my computer, and it automatically have files downloaded on my PC. So this is a good way for you to learn how to do it, and it's also an option that increase security and protection on your computer as well. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.